On our last episode of Onboard Lifestyle,
Starlink
on SV Basic.
I test out our new Starlink before we leave La Paz to Puerto Balandra. The crew celebrates my dad's birthday with an amazing meal.
Well, happy birthday to me.
The captain catches a fish. We leave Balandra to get in front of the Cormel winds. And push north to Isla San Francisco. That gets you caught up, so let's explore this beautiful island.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight.
Doing the trek again. This is one of our favorite hikes to the top of Isla San Francisco, and we get the full view of us at anchor. I mean, this is just spectacular.
And we're not even halfway.
Not even halfway. It's crazy. It just seems like every time you go a little bit higher, it just gets more and more beautiful. It is a little breezy today, so we're gonna have to hang on to our hats, but the hike is well worth it.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. You guys are at the very tippy top right now.
At the tippy top of our favorite island.
Look at this thing. You can see a couple boats anchored off over there, Em. Look. Okay, let's get our portrait at the top and start hiking down the backside. Yeah. Okay, here's the family shot. Oh, he's counting down. 10, 9, 8. Make it look pretty, everyone. It's like a little mountain goat.
He is so good. This hike is just pretty spectacular, and it's so interesting because on this little island you get such contrast. On one hand you get the turquoise water, nice white sandy beaches, and complete protection. Now on the other side is another story. It's a sheer cliff, and down below there is just rocks. I just don't know anything else like it. It is just, there are almost no words. I could do this hike every single day if I could.
This is kind of the worst spot right there. Be careful, don't back up. You'll go right into that crevice.
What do you got there, Teal?
Right here.
Oh, there it is. It's a little book at the very top here. Looks like people leave a little message or a poem or just sign in.
That is so cool.
Here you go.
Are you signing in the crew?
The naked riders were here. Glad we missed them.
Wait.
That was in 2020.
This is tradition.
Isla San Francisco is a beauty of the magnificent earth. We hiked up to the highest point and enjoyed the spectacular views of the Sea of Cortez. We are accompanied by wonderful friends, and they all signed in.
Nice.
That was Christmas Day, 2021. This is cool.
Let's add to this history.
We will.
Okay,
There we go.
there we go. We're in.
You guys made it.
Yeah, made it in one piece. Only a couple slips. Emma got a couple of rocks in her sandals. You got a couple of
Stickers.
stickers that did not feel that good, huh?
Oh, not too bad.
And Compass did amazing. He was the star of this hike for sure.
And it keeps going. Okay, the grill's all hot. You get ready?
I'm ready. This is my favorite Anchorage, and I decided to make meat on a stick.
That's our favorite food.
I haven't actually made yakitori in a long time, so I thought I'd maybe tweak the recipe, and I think this one is going to turn out
Oh
pretty
my God,
good.
it smells delicious. Anchorage is filling up. We've got boats all around us.
A lot of cats here.
Oh, and this little guy out here.
Yeah, monster super yacht.
So what do we have? Chicken?
We have chicken, and obviously we had to have it do a little surf, so I did some shrimp. So. Okay, crew, let's eat.
My mouth is watering. Wow, that looks delicious.
I'll take all of these. Where's yours?
absolutely zero protection. So we're gonna head north about 10 miles to the next stop, which is San Evaristo.
It's so far away.
So far away, but it'll be fun. I am gonna miss this place because I really wanted to hike the other side of the ridge, which is a little bit more low-key, but because we couldn't access it from the rocky side that we were on, we'll just have to hit it on the way back. It was kind of crazy last night though. There was probably, I'd have to say, 7 mega yachts in here and 1 super yacht. It was just packed full.
It had a helicopter on it.
Yeah, it was so cool, but it was packed in here with power boats. I think there was only a handful of us sailboats, which was kind of funny because the night before it was literally 6 or 7 cats and 1 trimaran. It was all multi-hulls. So cool.
Okay, it looks like everybody else had the same idea. The whole Anchorage is clearing out. It was lumpy enough last night. Tonight's going to be worse.
Only if we stay here. But man, I wanted to stay here longer. Look at that private beach right there.
That was have been fun. We'll do it on the next one. So all we have to do is clear a couple of rocky islands that don't show up on the charts. And after that, it looks like a nice little reach all the way to Evaristo.
Making good time already?
Yeah, not doing bad. 5.5 to 6.5 knots.
And when we turn, we'll get more wind.
We will. We're kind of going into it right now. But perfect conditions. We set the hook in San Evaristo, which will give us good protection from the west and southwest winds that are predicted to pipe up in the area over the next few days. San Evaristo is a quiet little fishing village that has around 20 full-time families that call this their home. Pangas come and go each day as the local fishermen drop their catch for the mainland and local markets and stock up with ice, water, and fuel before heading back out to their fishing grounds. San Evaristo is off-grid, and each structure generates their own power via solar arrays. Even the town's desalination plant, which provides the only fresh water in this remote region. This anchorage provides good protection for nearly all weather conditions, with solid holding, so we will call this our home for the next few days.
So it looks like we're gonna be here for a few more days, and I am in the mood for fish. So we flagged down one of the local fishermen in their pangas, and Teal is seeing what their catch of the day is. I'm so excited. Oh!
Teal. Sí, Beto. Nice to meet you.
Macro.
Mackerel as bait.
Ajá, bait.
Sí.
Macro.
Sí.
Ajá, muy fuerte.
Oh, very strong, huh? Beautiful.
Wow.
Bonito pescado.
I'm jealous. That looks so delicious. Beautiful. What a catch of the day. But you scored yourself a snapper, huh?
There we go. There's your fish tacos.
All right. Catching is better, but there's nothing like buying fresh fish from local fishermen. He just pulled in literally 2-3 minutes ago. Wind's starting to pick up.
It is. Let's go get your fish cleaned up. Water's feeling warmer though.
Just over here along the shoreline.
I know.
That is a decent sized snapper.
For about $9. And he's very happy with that price. I was too.
What's crazy is he actually doesn't live here. He lives on that island. Talk about
Not that one, over
off-grid.
here. It's around the corner. It's Isla Coyotes, which is a little teeny rock.
It's even smaller.
Oh yeah, it's teeny. I'll show you a picture when it's back to look. It's amazing.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. A special thanks goes out to our amazing patrons who are the reason why we are able to keep producing our videos. Join our crew if you can. With hurricane season on us, we'll continue our push north into the Sea of Cortez. So come back next week to see what our next stop will be. See you then.